stay home to dreams. Set the brush and paint the scene so I can breathe with you. The gravel spikes your feet, the cloth wraps on your knees. So darling, when the rain comes crashing in, I'll be right here and listen to you sing. Shout to me what they made you out to be. Burst the glass and start to scream so I can shout with you. Cry to me with a star raise the sea, creeks of pain and apathy, so I can cry with you. Oh, the gravel spikes your feet, the cloth wraps on your knees. So darling, when you're deafened by the noise, I'll be right here and listen to your voice. Still be here for you along your way. Still be here for you. Still be here for you. I'll still be here for you along your way.
Quiet's driving me insane. Silence rattles in my brain. Yeah, I gotta get away. Always waiting for the fall, so I built my towers tall, wandering through these empty halls. Break the cycle now, walls are coming down. I gotta make it out. Yeah, 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 yeah. this emptiness, it hurts like hell. My good intentions let me down. I keep getting in my way. My stubborn pride will dig my grave. Please hit me hard with every step I take, yeah. The cycle now, walls are coming down. I gotta make it out, yeah.